Okay, for the correct way to attach the binding, what you want to do is match the raw edges, unfold the binding. First of all, it comes like this, unfold it all the way. And you're going to take the slightly wider edge and match the top raw edges of the flap and the binding. And then you sew right down in that first stitch. Make sure on the ends you've folded them in so there's no raw edges. When you're done sewing, flip it up, give a press, turn it over, and then bring it on down. Use clips to hold it in place. You will be covering that first line of stitching. And then we'll go ahead and sew right along there, catching the last edge of the binding. We're going to be sewing right along there. And that'll catch that edge, as well as you will see some of the stitching on the first side. So if the stitches are showing and that bugs you, change to a blendable thread. And that's how you do the fabric flap, changeable flap option on the coffee house bag. So there she is finished. And I do that same process with the vinyl flaps. And these I've already added the snaps to. Now the cork flap, you don't need binding on. It'll be fine. I just top stitch it shut. It'll be totally fine. This one doesn't have it top stitched yet. I don't interface the cork. I don't do anything with that because it has enough body on its own, and I only interfaced this magnetic snap portion. And that's it. All these flaps I've made for one bag. I'll give it different looks. Super fun.